guys, I hope you enjoyed that slow motion tutorial on how to turn a 360 into a backflip. Let me break it down for you guys just so you understand what's going on. All we're basically doing is we're taking the 360, so a turn towards a certain direction, right? So I chose to go towards my left shoulder. And whichever way you decide to turn, that's the way you're slowly gonna start to lean over. Now, as you do lean over in the early stages, you might wanna put your hand down, as I do in these examples, and that eventually becomes the macaque. It just makes it a lot easier than trying to like jump around. Slowly over time, you just kind of lighten that hand up, and then that turns into a hack flip. And then the hack flip, you just readjust, go straight back, and that turns into a back whip or a sloppy back flip. And then from there, you just go, you clean it up. You just keep practicing it and you clean it up, and you got the hard part done with. You got the backflip basically. It doesn't matter. Turning 360s into many tricks, so I'm kind of making that a little mini series. So we turned a 360 into a B twist, we turned a 360 into a cork, now a backflip. I'm thinking back full next. I'm thinking some other things too. Just it kind of breaks you into the move slowly, kind of like, basically that 360 to the flip, it shifts that shape into the flip you want to make. You know what I mean? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this way to approach it. Take it slow, take it easy. Check out my other backflip videos. Check out my other flip tutorials. If you guys are looking to get into tricking, great tips for beginners all the way up to advanced. Help you get from beginner to advanced. Check out Kojo's Trick Lab. Link in the description. Sam Kojo, one of the best trickers in the world. Super happy to be affiliate to his website, so check that out. He's helping a ton of people out there. Tons of positive feedback on that. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos like this and other videos coming out throughout the week. So peace, you all have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.